Did you know that by using affinity, in-market, retargeting and other audiences together in your campaign, you can create a Google Ads combined audience that targets your ideal audience? Hello, I'm Uzair and thanks for joining in. In this video, I'm going to talk you through the Google Ads combined ads audience feature. Google Ads has now launched its combined audiences option when setting up your campaign to allow you to build up a more specific, layered audience to target. You can build a persona for your ideal customer by combining demographic, in-market, and affinity elements. How to use. Within the Audiences page, you click to add a new audience and select Combined Audiences from the drop-down menu. The Audience Builder will then pop up and you can select the characteristics of your ideal customer within the demographics offered. This includes age, interest, life events, remarketing lists, and a lot more. Your combined audience to be effective, the list must contain at least 1,000 people. Hope you enjoyed this video and thanks for joining in. Look forward to seeing you in my next one. Bye for now.